Why is my food too salty? The obvious answer is I added too much salt. But with salt, that's hard to do. You can see it. The problem is invisible salt, soy sauce, fish sauce, miso, curry paste, even parmesan. How do we stop guessing? Today, 3 rules for salty ingredients. Rule number 1, the back label is your friend. Let's see the invisible. In the UK or the European Union, it's easy. It tells you salt per 100 ml. If it says 16 grams, it's 16% salt. Simple. But in the US and some other jurisdictions, they don't list salt, they list sodium per serving. Yes, there's a way to convert this to salt percentage. You can screenshot that when you fancy some maths. But there's a shortcut. As long as the serving is tablespoon, just divide sodium by 60. If your soy sauce has 900 milligrams of sodium per tablespoon, divide that by 60. You get 15% salt. That's it. Now we see the invisible. How do we use it? Rule number 2, the 1% rule. While everyone has a different palate, a safe starting point is to aim for 1% salt of your main ingredient. So the chicken in your chicken soup, the beef in your beef stew. Because most of the time, you already know the actual weight from your butcher or from the supermarket packaging. This saves you from having to scale everything and gives you leeway to adjust. And all you need to do is to divide the weight by the number in front of the percentage sign. Here, we have 300 grams of chicken. Divide that by 15, we get 20 grams of soy sauce. That's our 1%. And with this method, without advanced maths, I know that this, and this have the same exact amount of salt. You can mix and match however you like, useful for a dish like carbonara or mapo tofu, which brings us to rule number 3, taste and adjust. Not raw marinades, but on the stove, that's part of the fun. Don't let the scale or my boring maths take that away from you.